So the first thing you get with this advent calendar is the base. The next day you have to add the small elastic fit to the 4 positions. The next thing you get is the base of the model. So now we're assembling the rear underbody. This is the motor and the exhaust system. The label for the sound base of the model. So place the sticker in the middle and go on, opening the 7th box. It's a small toolbox to put inside the screws for the assembly of the model. The next day you get the screws and the screwdriver for the assembly. And the next thing to do is to place the sound module that will make the vehicle sounds later on. So you have to fix it to the base with 2 screws on the sides. The next thing to assemble is the battery box. You have to insert 2 batteries and then attach it to the base with 2 screws on the bases. Then just connect the cable with a small So today you have to assemble the front underbody. Just press it to the chassis until it snaps in. Then I place the interior from today's box on the chassis. Now we have to install the loudspeaker on the plastic base. It's a little bit difficult to find the right position. I'm just trying and trying again until it fits in place. And then you have to attach the wire to the sound box. That's also a little bit difficult because there's not so much space between the socket and the plastic box. So the next thing to assemble is the button which activates the sound box and you hear the original 911 sound. You just have to insert it in place and then fix it with 2 screws on the sides. Then you have to insert the socket of the cable in the sound box. The microfiber cloth lets you easily remove fingerprints, dust and dirt from the model to keep it perfect and shiny. The next component of the model are the window panels. So just place them on top of the interior, and at the last step you have to place the car body above of the chassis of the car. Then turn the model upside down, insert the 2 screws in the holes and secure them. In the next video I will present you some ideas how to use the boxes to make a very nice poster for your wall. Bye bye.